Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. So this car comes with full service history. Some of its features include DAB digital radio, there's Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, a speed limiter, and it's also free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol engine. It gives you 68 horsepower. It's done 16,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.